Hi! In front of me is Lenovo tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this tablet. First of all, you need to find and open Sound Recorder app. Now select while using the app in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you want to discard it right away, just click on this X on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and start new recording by tapping on the red button again. In order to end it and save it, click on the square one on the left. Type in wherever you wish to in the recording name pop-up and save it by choosing OK. If you want to access list of all your recordings from here, tap on this right button with 3 lines. In order to play one of them, just click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to go back, click on the list again, then hold it, and tap on this bin icon at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!